करचा बहुत शौक नहीं है, अंदाज़े बयां करचा बहुत शौक नहीं है, शायद कि उतर जाए तेरे दिल में मेरी बात। Worldly principal, respected teachers, and dear August Hall, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah Jalbani and I am here to tell something about the Independence Day. What's 14 August? It's the day of immense hardships, immeasurable sacrifices and the unparalleled struggle of our forefathers who led to the creation of Pakistan. The day of 14 August 1947 reminds us of the time when Muslims lived under the oppression of oppression, depression, digestion and the perpetual sense of the deprivation in the Indian subcontinent, where their basic human rights were curbed, usurped and violated with impunity. But after the day of 14 August 1947, Muslims had a sigh of relief after a tiring and incessant struggle. They got a safe home for themselves where they could live freely and safely, where they could practice and preach their beliefs without any fear, tension and anxiety. In fact, on 14 August 1947, the state named Pakistan was achieved by the Muslims of subcontinent, was meant to be a role model and welfare state for the entire world in general and Muslim Ummah in particular. Pakistan was to become an ideal state where rule of law, respect for human rights, equality, justice and minority rights were to be protected. But if we see the progress of our beloved country in more than last 6 decades of independence, we will feel ashamed to confess that we have not achieved a single goal. We have completely and utterly failed to realize the dream of our great leaders. We have badly distorted the very soul of essence of the creation of Pakistan. वतन की कर फिकर नादान की मुसीबत आने वाली है, वतन की कर फिकर नादान की मुसीबत आने वाली है, तेरी बर्बादियों की चर्चे हैं आसमानों में. Today, the masses of our country living under similar threat and stigma and with Muslims used to live before 14 August 1947. Today, corruption, unemployment, terrorism, bad government, robbery, illness and mass murders are the order of the day in Pakistan. However, if we really want to make Pakistan an ideal and welfare state, we really want to realize the dreams of our ancestors, then we should make a solid place to work for the betterment of the country selflessly. In this way, we can lead our dear country towards the path of peace, progress and prosperity. In the end, I would like to conclude my speech with following words. निगाहें मर्दे मोमिन से बदल जाती हैं तकदीरें, निगाहें मर्दे मोमिन से बदल जाती हैं तकदीरें, अब रोज़ हो के यकीन पैदा तो कट जाती है जंजीरें.